I created a Shopify store with a single product that was selling like crazy. The videos got millions of views, thousands of comments, and thousands of likes, and this literally helped me skyrocket my Shopify store to Mars without the help of Elon Musk, that is. Have you ever wondered why your dropshipping product isn't working, why your dropshipping product isn't selling, and how to find dropshipping products that actually sell? Because building a Shopify store and selling a product that actually sells can actually be quite tricky and difficult. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps that I took to build my Shopify store, as well as revealing my winning dropshipping product. The first thing and the main thing you have to do when it comes to dropshipping is simply find a product that solves a problem. A problem-solving product is much more likely to sell because people need it instead of they want it. For example, my winning dropshipping product was crease protectors, and I scaled it to over £135,000 in under a year because it was a simple problem-solving item. How many people have Air Forces out there, and how many people have creases on the top of their Air Forces? So my product solved a problem, and it created a winner. The product that I was selling was actually quite affordable, and I listed it for £9.99, and it falls within something called an impulse purchase. If you guys don't know what an impulse purchase is, this is another key point you need to implement within your Shopify store. An impulse purchase is basically where you don't think too much into buying something because of the price of that item. So simply said, if you can find a product that solves a problem, it could be anything to do with offices, it could be do with kitchenware, it could be doing anything with shoes like I did with crease protectors, then you're already on to a good start. Well, social proof plays a massive part in scaling a product as well on Facebook and Instagram, because the product video that I put out got millions and millions of views, likes, comments. Everybody was tagging their friends saying they're gonna buy a pair, and these comments were literally selling the product for me. There was no need to advertise. They were literally tagging their friends saying, buy some of these, or I'm gonna buy a pair now, I'll send you the link. And when people go onto my video and see those comments, they're instantly sold. And that's the power of social proof. If you can accumulate as many views, likes, and good, interesting comments as possible, then your product's probably most likely going to sell as soon as that person goes onto the store. One other thing I did with my Shopify product as well, and it's something called branding. I wanted to stand out from the competitors and actually make my own custom box with my own custom logo, so the customer feels it's a more premium product instead of just a generic crease protector they could have bought for half the price on eBay. Take MANSCAPED, for example, a multi-million pound company that started off dropshipping the exact same products they're selling now. They knew if they branded their product, it would be deemed as more expensive, and they can start scaling whilst building their brand at the same time. There is a catch though. There literally is no point whatsoever in trying to sell a product that is too saturated. I'm going to give you a good example right now, and it may or may not make you laugh, but fidget spinners. When was the last time you saw someone use a fidget spinner? There's so many crazes that go up and down. One of them is my crease protectors. Not many people are selling them anymore because the market's too saturated. The second one is fidget spinners, and the third one is the little hoverboard things that people used to ride everywhere. I've not seen one of those in donkey's years. Now I know there's loads of courses and apps and videos on trying to tell you how to find winning dropshipping products, and don't waste your time and don't waste your money on those. All you need to know is you need to find a product that solves a problem that fits within an impulse purchase with good Facebook ads and a good Shopify store that's well built, and that's where the money starts rolling in. You can also look through eBay and Amazon and websites like that to try and find products that you've not really seen before that you personally think fits within those two criterias, and if it does, then that may be your golden ticket to success.